Chapter 11, Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter. Now see, we already studied about electromagnetic waves. The electromagnetic wave theory suggested by Maxwell represented this thing. The light has a wave nature, and scientist Hertz experimentally proved this thing. So we can say this thing, it was established the light have wave nature, right? Then after, when the scientists studied about the experiment related to the electrical discharge in case which one is placed at very low pressure, they discovered cathode rays. And later on, scientist Crook proved this thing. These rays emitted from the cathode are nothing but negatively charged particles. And then after Sir J.J. Thomson calculated charge to mass ratio for these negatively charged particles, and he named these particles as electrons, and electrons are considered as the fundamental particle of matter. And they calculated the speed of these emitted negatively charged particles from the cathode, and speed was 0.1 to 0.2 times the speed of light. Okay. Then in those days, when the discovery of electron took place, then after the study related to the structure of atom was started actually. But in those days, the important thing that was this one, light has a wave nature. That particular fact was established. Okay. And then after, when they observed some other phenomena, and later on we will discuss about this phenomena, and when they tried to explain these phenomena using wave nature of light, they totally failed to explain those phenomena. So see, electrons were discovered, the charged particles discovered, its charge to mass ratio calculated, then after Millikan calculated charge of electron, and then after mass of electron was calculated, and it was established light have the wave nature. Okay. But